Hi everybody, this is Christina speaking from Singapore, and I am basically just a very simple girl who decided to pursue my dreams and make pizza my life. So I hope you share this journey with me and walk together. For almost a year or two now, I've been thinking about making YouTube videos. The problem is I just kept waiting and waiting. I have been waiting for like the perfect camera, the perfect lighting, the audio, the script. I've done many scripts, I've recorded many scripts, and if you can see some of my past videos, they are basically scripted with very robotic movements. And I realized that this cripples me a lot, from having ideas to basically not doing anything at all. Well, as a business owner, I'm actually used to perfectionism. My pizza has to be perfect, my ingredients have to be perfect. So when I decided that I want to start YouTube, I thought that my videos had to be perfect too. And more often, I spend more time planning than filming. More time thinking actually about the shot than actually taking it. And my videos just sat in my draft folder, waiting for conditions that never came. My Google Photos folder basically just got busted, and I just keep paying for more and more storage. I was just focused on doing it right, that I never did it at all. And then one day I just suddenly thought to myself, does my first video have to be better than my 10th video? Like, it just needs to exist, right? Because the only way to get better is actually to make videos and not to plan them, and basically just make them. So I kind of decided one day that I will stop waiting for the perfect conditions. I just took out this camera, plugged it on me, and took whatever I can with imperfect everything. And I think that's the lesson here, you know, like done is actually better than perfect. My imperfect video today is better than my perfect video never. My messes attempt teaches me more than 1,000 hours of training. So I hope that this video resonates with those who wants to start something but have been thinking about the how to start and what they actually need to get started. And if you are actually waiting for the perfect conditions to start, I would want to encourage you today to stop waiting and to start today. And remember that done beats perfect, always. I hope that with this journey, all of us walk together and get better. And whatever you have in your Google Photos or whatever, your phone or your computer, just blast it. Who knows what happens? And more importantly, share your journey with everyone here and encourage each other to do what we have always liked to do. To share our life, memories, happiness with everyone in the world, because the world needs this. So I wish you all the best. I hope we can all walk together and get stronger together. And I really encourage you today to just start posting anything at all. So do follow me, and together let's walk this journey and get better. Thank you, and I'll let you enjoy the rest of this video. Bye.
Bacon 还有粑吗？还有吗？51块。 very first thing to do. I'm kind of wonderful. I know I can't. Right words just don't come to me. I just know what I am.
Whoa.
Received $1.